So let me get this straight. You came all the way down to the Department of Motor Vehicles and didn't bring your driver's license? Do I understand that correctly? You're going to have to go in the separate line for processing.
If you're in the business of storytelling, content creation, marketing, learning, filmmaking, Runway's latest feature, Act 1, is about to change your life. That's right, Runway's latest feature, Act 1, lets you create stunning character animations. No fancy equipment needed. Yep, no motion capture, no CGI experts, just you and your camera. Heck, even just your smartphone camera. In this video, you'll learn all about Runway's Act 1, what it is, what's so great about it, and how you can use it. So let's roll. Runway has been working on some amazing AI tools. If you've been following me, you've seen me showcase some of them. But their latest release, Act 1, is something I'm super excited about because Runway's Act 1 is going to enable all of us to create Hollywood-level movie magic from our living room using just our creativity, our own performance, a regular camera. So how does Act 1 do this? Well, Act 1 generates expressive character performances using video and voice performances as inputs. You can take a simple video of you acting and transform it into an animated character by applying your performance to a reference image. You don't need any special suits, no special effects teams, just your performance and a text prompt, and boom, you're generating lifelike characters that deliver genuine emotion straight from any camera. It's really that easy. From music videos to full-blown movies, this tool is going to open a number of possibilities.
Hey, look, I'm really sorry I called your dog Steve. I know that's not his name, but that's just what he looks like. I'm sorry.
So what is it that makes Act 1 such a powerful tool for creators? Let's talk about that. First off, like I mentioned, you don't need any expensive equipment. It's really just your performance overlaid on a reference image. It'll superimpose your expressions and your emotions onto the character within your reference image.
Who knew there were so many kinds of beans to choose from? Fava, black, kidney, butter, white beans. I don't even know what this soup calls for. Maybe I should just get them all. Then again, that's a lot of beans. I don't even know if I could carry this many beans.
Act 1 seems to be really promising with expressive animation. It captures everything from subtle eye movements to complex facial expressions, ensuring that your character looks just as natural and as animated as your original footage. It keeps the emotions from your acting no matter what the character. According to Runway ML, the model can capture and transfer even subtle details of a performance without losing any emotional depth, and that this can be done with just a smartphone. That's really all you need.
What? You're gonna fire me because there's hot milk everywhere on the floor of the coffee shop? I mean, it's one latte. It's not that big of a deal. And it's my first day. I feel like you get a free first pass with a mistake on your first day.
Now, not only is Runway's Act 1 really great at capturing expressive animation, it's also super versatile when it comes to superimposing these expressions and emotions onto a reference image. It can work with any sort of character, so whether it's a human or an alien or any other creature, Runway ML's Act 1 promises to deliver a great job at superimposing the performance on the reference image.
I dropped my old phone, so I had to go and get a new one. But you know how much I loved my old phone, so I buried it in front of that church in front of your house.
And one thing you might have noticed with other tools that offer similar features is that they don't always work with different angles. Well, if you check out some of the examples that Runway has shown in their announcement, you'll see that this works great for multiple angles, which means cinematic quality, movie-like realism to your animation.
I went to this exhibition yesterday. They call this art.
Another really great thing about this tool is that one actor can do multiple roles. The model can be applied to different reference images. The model is designed to maintain realistic facial expressions, even when the target character's proportions differ from the original video source. Why is this important? Well, it's important because this means one person can actually perform multiple roles. You can even make entire conversations between different characters, all played by you. Imagine the possibilities for your next short film or animation, even just a fun video with friends. It's like having a whole cast of actors in your pocket. You perform, the AI transforms.
I think it's time to decide. You really think you can just walk away from all this? I have to. There's no other choices. There's always a choice. You just don't like the alternatives. What would you have me do? Stay? Just watch it all crumble around me? It's what you signed up for. It's what we all signed up for. I signed up to make a difference. I'm not just trying to be a cog in the machine. You think leaving will solve anything? It's a start.
There's always a choice.
You just don't like the alternatives.
What would you have me do? Stay?
Just watch it all crumble around me?
Now, one important thing to note from Runway's announcement of releasing Act 1 is that we do have solid safeguards in place. We'll be blocking any content involving public figures. They'll be making sure that users have the right permissions to use a certain voice. We will even monitor the platform to ensure there's no misuse. Whether you're a filmmaker, a marketer, a learning designer, a content creator, or just someone looking to experiment with AI animation, Runway's Act 1 is going to change the way you think about bringing your stories to life. So what do you think? Could Runway's Act 1 be the tool that changes the movie industry forever? Act 1 has started rolling out to users, and access is going to be coming very soon. Are you excited to try it out? Because I truly am. When I do, I will be sharing what I learned on this channel. Oh, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you can stay in the know. Let me know in the comments below how you're going to use Act 1 in your next project. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.